Welcome to Jacqueline Marie Living. I'm Jacqueline Marie. I'm so excited that you're visiting my channel. Please ensure to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. On today's episode, Estelle is very excited and waiting by the door because she just heard the FedEx man delivering a box, and I think it's a box of flowers from the Bouqs company. I'm going to be unboxing the flowers. So let's go and unbox the flowers. This video is not sponsored by the Bouqs Flower Company. The box comes well packed, and also there is some coupons for like about 20% off for the next purchase. It also has a nice vase. The flowers are securely wrapped, but I noticed that they don't come with a moisturizer on the stems, so some of the flowers are very delicate and they look a little bit wilted. I'm going to add some water to the vase and then start cutting the stems on the flowers. Please comment below and let me know if you have ordered or received flowers from the Bouqs company and what has been your experience with this flower company. This is the second time that I received flowers from this company. My daughter sent Valentine's flowers from this company, and there were some beautiful lilies that they lasted about 3 weeks. Please comment below and let me know which is your favorite flower company. I also like the Farm Girl flowers. The flowers are beautiful also. I think I'm going to switch the vase and use a larger one. This is a large bouquet and I think they're going to look kind of cramped on the vase that they sent. The flower bouquet fits better in the larger vase. And there you have it, the Bouqs bouquet of flower with my own vase. The flowers look very pretty. I love the combination of the vibrant colors. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope you join me next time in Jacqueline Marie Living. Please don't forget to subscribe and write your comments. See you next time.